According to YouTube, today's trending topics in computer science and related fields include 1. Google I/O 2024. Google's annual developer conference started May 6, 2024, and is trending on YouTube. Expect exciting announcements and updates on AI, Android, and more. 2. ChatGPT Plus. OpenAI's latest update to their popular AI chatbot has sparked a lot of interest and discussion in the tech community. 3. AI-generated content. With the rapid advancement of AI, content created using tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and other generative models is gaining popularity and raising important questions about creativity and authorship. 4. DevOps and cloud computing. As more companies move to the cloud, topics like continuous integration, delivery, and deployment, as well as cloud security and architecture, are becoming increasingly important. 5. Python programming. As a popular language in AI, data science, and automation, Python tutorials and projects continue to trend on YouTube. These topics are subject to change as new trends emerge, but as of now, they're generating a lot of interest and discussion in the tech community.